Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching my video first time, my name is Meena. Today I'm showing you my hair mask recipe. I use this mask at least once a month to keep my hair healthy, strong and shiny. Do you want to know how to prepare and how to use it? I will show you step by step, very easy way. So let's begin. First, I'm going to add 2 spoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil has a lyric acid oil, nourishing property. So providing you moisturizing, coconut oil helps to improve the health and conditions of the hair. Next, I'm going to add 2 spoons of almond oil. It's rich in vitamin B7 biotin. So almond oil helps to keep hair health and strong. It can also help protect your hair from sun damage and good for scalp treatment. Next, I'm adding 2 spoons of real mayonnaise. So mayonnaise contains vegetable oil. Vegetable oil increases hair softness, hydration and strength hair and adds shine from root of the hair. If you not got any mayonnaise, don't worry, you can add avocado. Then add 1 ripe banana. Banana has a vitamin C, magnesium, potassium and silicon properties. It helps to deeply nourish and soften and condition your hair and make hair thicker and stronger. Next, I'm going to add 1 egg. Egg are a nutritious, rich hair and superfood. It has a vitamin A and E biotin. Keep hair moisturizing, silk, shiny, thick and healthy. Next, I'm going to add 1 spoon of lemon juice. Lemon contains oxidant, high folic acid and vitamin C to help renew dry hair, reduce dandruff, fizzy and rough hair. Then add 2 spoons of natural honey. So honey has a homocent and emollient properties. Honey is great to make hair moisturizing, smooth, add shine to dull hair. And you can use any kind of pure honey, thick or thin running honey. Then I'm going to grind till smooth and soft. No need to add any water. And I'm using for application empty sauce bottle cleaned. You can use hair color applicator if you haven't got any kind of applicator bottle, you can use any kind of a sauce empty bottle. And fill in the bottle hair mask mixture. Now ready to apply. If you got treatment gloves, wear the gloves and any dark and old t-shirt. Sometimes banana stain not go. Then I'm going to start from center part of my hair, front to back, then sectioning my hair into small parts and apply from root. And this mask smells like a banana, and if you notice mask became brown color, don't worry, it's natural because banana changed the color. Once I apply whole head, then I am doing little massage to make sure I apply from the root. And I make bun back tight and tie and cover with a shower cap. After that, you can leave to 1.5 hours. And wash your hair, use your normal shampoo and conditioner. If you are in a hot country, let it dry naturally, otherwise use a dryer. I washed my hair after 1.5 hours, feels silky, shiny and so soft. It will be last 3 or 4 weeks. So guys, you must try at least one time. It will be big difference. You will be not disappointed. It's natural and it's not going to damage your hair or change your color. So guys, I hope love watching this video. Please let me know if you want to see more DIY video for other treatment, because I uses myself mostly home remedies and DIY. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then everyone, take care. Bye bye.